Homeownership is so important.
What are some tips or tricks or hacks or anything that you know about or any programs that you want to let buyers know about?
Where there's no tricks, there's no hacks. With mortgage, it is what it is. Please know that, like I said, anything is going to come to light. You may as well talk to your mortgage person like they're your priest, like they're your counselor, because everything is going to come to light. Everything. The biggest thing that I've been running into of late is, we're in a marital rights state. If you're married, you're married. Separated is still married. So if your spouse, or hopefully you have a good relationship with them, or you're going to need to wait until after you buy the house, because either they're going to have to sign a marital waiver or they're going to have to sign on your mortgage. The other thing is just there's programs out there. Do your shopping. With a mortgage, you have a 45-day window that any inquiry counts as one inquiry. And this is by the CFPB. This is not Gwen with Prosperity's rule. This is CFPB. It says that any mortgage inquiry in a 40-day period counts as one inquiry. Do your homework. Check with different lenders. Different lenders have different internal programs. A lot of, the banks may have grants that they can give you to help with closing costs or down payment assistance. Or different programs like Prosperity. We have a 580 credit score program. A lot of people don't. Other people don't. With us, we have FHA and VA Credit Advantage program, which is you have to have a 640 credit score, but we have a second lien that's forgivable after 5 years, and you don't make any payments on that, but that pays your closing costs and part of your down payment. So those are different programs that we offer. Other banks have different programs that they offer. So you want to get at least 2 to 3 different pre-qualifications. And know that it is not our job as mortgage people to tell you what program you fit into. So if you qualify for FHA and you qualify for VA and you qualify for conventional, it's our job to say, here's the options that you qualify for. It is your choice which one you select.
You kind of already touched on this, but okay. What other things make Prosperity Mortgage different from other companies?
I think Prosperity makes a difference because, not to toot my own horn or whatever, but I've been doing this for 35 years. My first 16 years in my career, I managed a finance company. I had mortgage authority. I wrote and approved mortgages, so I know what is required. I have one of the highest approval funding ratios in our company, in our community lending team, because I know what needs to be done to get a loan to the table. I don't throw things against the wall and hope they stick. I give you a roadmap right off the front. Here's what we need, A, B, C, D. If you give me A, B, C, D, and if A, B, C, D matches what you told me when we took the application or you put the application in, then you're going to be fine. There's hiccups, but when there's hiccups, I'm there to help you through those hiccups. I take the brunt of the issues off of you because we've had those upfront conversations. We've talked. I know what your situations are.
Yeah.
And so because I listen to that and take heed to that and know that, I'm constantly keeping that in the forefront. And my job is to make this as easy as possible for you, the buyer.
Is there anything else you want to share with the viewers? Any other things we didn't touch on?
Well, we touched on a lot.
Yeah. We had a good conversation.
I just, again, if I can't stress it enough, do your homework. Homeownership is so important. Home ownership, and especially the African American community, is the one best way to build wealth. and it also stabilizes your households. Your kids are not going to different schools every 5 minutes and, losing time and energy with the school systems. It's just a known fact that when people are homeowners and kids are in a household situation, it's just better for everything. And the wealth building aspect of it is phenomenal. That's it.
Okay, well, thanks for talking to me. I learned so much about the mortgage process. I'm still new at this, and I'm learning something every day. That's part of what I want to make this channel for, is not only to reach people and to teach them stuff, but also I get to learn new stuff and meet new people all the time.
Wonderful.
So I'm so glad that I got to talk to you today.
Thank you.
And how can people reach you directly if they want to talk to you?
Well, my website is www.gwengoins.phmloans.com. And that's the best way to get started with the whole process. The website has all kinds of information, has mortgage calculators, it has everything. My cell phone is 765-274-6366. That's usually the best way to reach me because I float around between different offices. Just anytime you have a question, you can text me on that number as well, and I'll answer you as soon as I can.
Awesome. Thanks for talking to me.
All right.